Hey, welcome back to Two Super Guys Trade Stocks. I'm Dylan.
And I'm Vinny.
And we're just going to take a quick look at the market as we finally bounced off that 200 SMA, like I was saying. And we're going to look at where we go from here.
All right. If you guys enjoy this kind of entertaining stock market content, two stupid guys try to figure everything out in the stock market, by all means, give us a like and subscribe below. We'd love to have you along this little adventure of ours. With that, we'll get to it.
Two Stupid Guys Trade Stocks.
All right. So why is Burry and Tim Cook on the thumbnail? I'm going to show you. One, here is the 200 SMA, this gray line here. As you can see, we just touched it a little bit. Then we have 2 days of indecision. I want to show the volume, so let me back up here.
Okay.
There we go. And then we had a decent red day, just on increasing volume. That part's a little bit nice, but this is really nothing, right? This could be a pullback to this 9 EMA on the daily. This could be borderline almost nothing, right?
Okay.
We're gonna need
Yeah, I
something
want to know.
huh?
How do we confirm the direction? Well, when will we know?
When will we know? We will know when we test these very specific points on the Qs, 317. That's this red line here. We want to see what happens. And then for the SPY, which is where I just was, 415. Okay? We need to see if we have a high volume rejection off of the 415 level. This is where we had a breakout here. We had a lot of hits here. This is a fairly strong level. This is the biggest level within 20 points of the SPY right now. It also is going to correlate with the 20 EMA. So we're not going to know a lot until we can see what happens at this level. If we lose this quickly, 365, baby, all the way down.
Oh, I love it. So I'm kind of locked and loaded to start selling some in the money covered calls in my Apple stock, hopefully to ride that trend back down. Speaking of Tim Cook, that's my play here, at least in my main account. Yeah, I know, right? Apple has been the driver of this bus.
They really are. So Apple is 6% of the SPY. All right. Now Apple is 6 away from all-time highs right here, or 10 away from all-time highs. It's gross. The whole market is just like either below the 200 SMA, not the whole. I think it's like over 50%. I can't remember. I think it's like 60%. Is under the 200 SMA right here, and they're just chilling. They're going super high. As soon as Apple has a bad couple weeks, this is going to be a problem. All right? This is going to be absolutely wild. But that is where we are right now. Burry, as you know, well, we don't know if he's shorting. We just know that he sold absolutely everything and that he is horribly bearish on the market. So we're going to have to see what happens. The main example I want to bring out is that the 200 small moving average it's an incredibly important level. We've been doing multiple videos on it. Some people are like, it's just going to shoot right through it. No, it did exactly what we said, as it had for the last 20 years.
I know. Well, you talked about how it stood within like 5 points basically and chopped sideways at one point in time. And then there was one time where it was 10 points. I think it was that .com or 2008 crash. So we're like right at that cusp where we're 9 points below the 200 SMA average for the SPY right now. So we're like right on the cusp of that range.
Right there. We're just chilling there. It's too early to determine. If anyone says it's going long from here or it's going short from here, I personally believe it's going short, but I don't know for sure. So
yeah, Game of Trade 6 is going long, but
very fair. There's no way to know. Anyone who says it is doing this or buy calls, buy puts, they're absolutely shitty. They don't know anything. Well, and then you have the 50% chance of being right, which is going to be the frustrating thing because people are going to get falsely confident. I personally think it's going to go short. I don't know for sure.
We should get an answer not terribly too far in the future because usually it only chops sideways for at most like a week or two before it kind of made a decision from what I saw from historical trends and our other videos. But we'll find out.
We should find out here soon. All right, guys.
All right. Yeah, let's see. Let us know what you think in the comments below.
Have a good one.